It's obvious how everyone cannot afford high-end smartwatches from Apple, Samsung, and Garmin. This is where Amazfit comes to save us. Amazfit is a pretty well-known and prominent brand that has been able to leave the competition behind by delivering relatively affordable smartwatches with great battery life. And recently, the company released another affordable smartwatch, GTS 4 Mini, which is a successor to the GTS 2 Mini. In our video today, we're going to talk about its performance, features, battery life, and many more. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, Amazfit started its GTS 4 lineup with the Mini rather than introducing the regular variant. And they equipped the GTS 4 Mini with a 1.65-inch AMOLED display that has curved edges on all sides, which looks pretty sleek. It even supports an always-on feature that its predecessor lacks. By keeping that all beside it, it boasts a physical button to get control over the smartwatch. In terms of waterproofing, this brand new watch comes with a 5 ATM water resistance rating, meaning you can swim while wearing it. Besides, its ultra-slim and light design ensures a comfortable experience. However, for durability, this watch boasts a metallic frame including color options of mint blue, pink, black, and white, so you'll find loads of options to match your style. Moreover, the GTS 4 Mini utilizes a third-generation biometric sensor just like the Amazfit Bip 3 tracker and current T-Rex 2. This sensor is capable of delivering more accurate readings of different health metrics including heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, stress level, and many more. For women's health, menstrual cycle tracking is also available on this device. Also, this watch provides in-depth monitoring of sleep quality to keep you on top of your health. Plus, this watch is included with expanded sports functionalities, so whichever activity you prefer, you'll likely to find it on this watch. And it has up to 120 preloaded exercise modes including running, cycling, yoga, and more. It's even smart enough to recognize up to 7 sports. About its GPS system, the GTS 4 Mini supports 5 satellite positioning systems to help you cruise through your adventures. It even uses circularly polarized antenna technology to improve tracking performance and accuracy. With this price range, you can get a built-in Amazon Alexa voice assistant, a pretty reliable feature, right? You can easily set an alarm, get an answer, or translate anything you want with the help of Alexa. Meanwhile, the Find My Phone feature can locate and ring your smartphone within Bluetooth range. The GTS 4 Mini is packed with Zip OS, which is smooth and power efficient. Also, it features up to 10 mini apps, including the Home Connect third-party app to make your daily life more convenient. So, how long can it last? This ultra-compact smartwatch is equipped with a 270 mAh battery which allows it to deliver up to 15 days of endurance on typical usage and up to 45 days on battery saver mode. Okay, so now let's talk about its price. The Amazfit GTS 4 Mini is pretty affordable considering how many features it has. This slim and lightweight smartwatch is available for $120, which is not that much. In short, the Amazfit GTS 4 Mini looks pretty premium in terms of its price. Also, it's packed with multiple activity features to help you gain better health. You can even get all-day heart rate tracking with this brand new smartwatch, and up to 15 days of battery support is amazing. We found the Amazfit GTS 4 Mini pretty amazing considering its price and performance. What do you think? Are you going to buy this smartwatch? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.